Hi guys, today I want to show you a couple of tests to self-diagnose your shoulder injury. So it's very important to know exactly which structure is causing you symptoms and issues on your shoulder. So we've got four main reasons for shoulder pain. The first one, it can be the neck. Second one can be the rotator cuff muscles. Third one, it can be a shoulder impingement. And the last one, it can be an acromio-clavicular joint strain, an AC strain. So let's start with the neck. So first we have to rule out the neck. Yes, the neck can cause pain on the shoulder. If you have a pinched nerve on the neck, the pain can radiate down to the shoulder, even down to the elbow or the hand. And the pain usually is more like a shooting pain. It can be numbness or pins and needles, tingling sensation going down to the hand. So to test the neck, you have to stay straight. We'll test the left side. So you look over one shoulder. So you look over the left side and then you look up. If you feel the pinching on the neck and the pain is reproduced going down to the arm or the elbow or the hand, it means that you are having a problem with your neck, nothing wrong with the shoulder. So this test is quite specific, so we can rule out the neck. So let's say you rule out the neck and you don't have any pain when you do this test. So then we need to be focused on the shoulder itself. So something is causing the pain on your shoulder. So there must be a structure that is affected. So first, we have to test the rotator cuff muscles. So we've got the supraspinatus and the infraspinatus. So we will start with the supraspinatus muscle. So what you have to do is lift your arm up, 90 degrees flexion, thumb down, and go a little bit outside like this. So from this position, with the other hand, we need to push it down, but hold the hand tight as much as you can and push it down. So you have to resist the movement of pushing down. If you have any pain, pinching, discomfort, or even weakness, it means that you are having a tear into the supraspinatus tendon. The second one is the infraspinatus. So the infraspinatus muscle is responsible for doing external rotation, this movement. So what you have to do, elbow close to the body, 90 degrees flexion on the elbow, you can make a fist as well, and from here hold it tight in the position. With the other hand you pull it inside, don't let it move, pull it inside and resist. Again, if you feel pain on the shoulder, discomfort or even weakness, it means that you are having a tear on the infraspinatus tendon. The third one is shoulder impingement. So shoulder impingement means that the shoulder joint is not gliding properly. Usually it is because of muscle imbalances or even poor posture. So the shoulder, the joint is catching some structures inside the joint, and that's why you feel the pain. So for shoulder impingement we've got two tests. So the first one is the painful arc test. So the painful arc test means that when you do abduction, so when you do this movement, so when you lift your arm up to the side, the joint is catching the structure and you have the pain. So usually the pain is reproduced between 60 and 120 degrees of abduction. So when you lift it like this, feels alright, then it starts being painful or it's catching up to 120, and then it feels fine again. So if you have this test positive, it means that you have a shoulder impingement. The second test for shoulder impingement, you put the hand on one shoulder. So in my case we are testing the left shoulder, and from here we just lift the arm up. So you just lift it up and come down. So if you feel again pinching or pain, discomfort on the shoulder, it means that it is positive and you have a shoulder impingement. The last one is for the AC joint, the acromio-clavicular joint. So we've got the joint between the clavicle and the acromion. The acromion is the bone coming from the scapula, and usually you can tear this joint by going to the gym and do it workouts above your head, so lifting weights above your head. That will put a lot of strain, a lot of tension into the AC joint. For this one you have to lift your arm up, so you go again 90 degrees on flexion. With the other hand you just pull it across. You pull it across like this, and again if you feel any pinching or pain on top of your shoulder, it means that it's positive, so you have an AC joint tear. I hope this test helps you to figure out what's causing the pain on your shoulder. In that way you will be able to be focused on a rehabilitation plan. Otherwise, if you don't know exactly what's the structure causing the pain, you don't know what exercise to do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or any suggestions, don't forget to leave me a comment, and I will see you next time.